Hey.
Oh my, we matched.
Hey, critters. Hey, we did match. I didn't plan that. This is Carol, my mother-in-law. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. This is our creative project.
All right, so you're working on steps.
I'm working on steps.
I'm going to put the bunnies in place and work on a bow for that. Yeah. We're
I'm
going to do that.
practicing on this piece over here.
Oh, good. Okay. Oh, I found these. And I thought if I placed them in here, it would look like light.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to do that too. Got the glue gun going.
Is there a lighter green?
There is a lighter green. There should be like 3 or 4 different greens in there.
Oh wait, this one came off. Oh, here, maybe this one is lighter.
Oh, that one should be way lighter.
Well, this one is too dark.
Yeah, that's way too dark. Okay. All right. So,
No, too neon.
try this one.
Yes.
All right. Here comes the lighthouse.
Christine has many, many pens in here. See that? Move that out of the way so she can see. Those are all the different colors of pens she's got.
All right. So, it's just we're coming into. Okay. We're gonna take our gems.
Yes,
Gems.
this is the one.
That's the one. That's
Yes.
the color. And I'm gonna go in between.
See?
Oh yes, that's much better. Carol's doing brickwork, yeah, for our steps. So with the green pen. So we're gonna gem this, and that'll look like lights on the lighthouse.
Mm-hmm.
So
By saying this is grass, it doesn't have to be perfect.
this is true. Oh God, it's really hard to get in here.
Do you have a tweezers? Oh, I
Yeah, I do. No, I do have. I
I
do have tweezers. That's a good idea, actually.
You had something else too. Oh, I know, it was a pliers. It's
Yeah.
probably too fat.
No, but these tweezers ought to work.
I think I need to get my elbow on here a little bit better. I did something to my wrist. I'm not sure what.
Mm-hmm. So what you doing? What you doing? Brickwork?
Yeah.
Brickwork.
Oh, but we
Moss.
can't see from there.
Moss. There you go.
Yeah, it's moss growing between the bricks. On the brick walk. Wait a minute.
Which is a smart idea. I would not have thought of that one.
Well, so we could be a creative team for this project. We're definitely going to have to let this dry a minute.
Yeah. Well, that's fine. We could put it on last.
Yeah.
Get the lights in place, and then I'll put the bunnies in.
I'm just using this to hold it still. piece one. And the fact that I can't draw very straight lines is to our benefit in this case.
I could give you a ruler if you wanted straighter. No?
It wouldn't look like nature, would it?
No, it wouldn't. Oh, come on. Where's my tweezers go? I put this in up crooked and now it doesn't want to. Pull it out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that worked.
Sparkly.
It actually looks like lights, though.
I wonder if they use mirrors to reflect the light inside a lighthouse.
I don't know. I don't know how that works, but there we go.
Cool.
There's our
Yes.
lights to our lighthouse.
Yes.
So let me throw that aside. So just some self-adhesive gems. That's all we had. All right. We had rope, right? Rope.
Yes. You're going to have to, glue it on somehow to get it started.
Yeah. I want to put too much.
The part that Christine is doing now is called a widow's walk, but the whole idea is for no one to fall off. That is the plan.
There we go. It's getting there. Try not to put too much glue on it because I don't want to like this big old plop of glue.
Right.
I'm gonna need to. I want to redo that one.
I'm getting the green off my fingers so I don't get it on everything else. Is that the glue that has those little stringy things?
Yeah, that's the glue that has the stringy things.
Oh.
It'll as soon as we get it on here, then I'll go back through and clean up the stringy things of the glue.
How do you do that?
Just pull them off.
Oh.
Is that about right? Or you think I'm looping it too much?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
That's good. The beauty of crafts is there is no perfect way. Maybe if we push them down flatter.
They're not staying. They're not going to stay that way because of the because of how I laid that one.
That's fine. That's fine.
It'll just be like it's swaying in the breeze.
There you go.
Now we have an imaginary breeze on our island. There we go. Blow, blow.
Yes, indeed. Did you put a little box in there?
Yeah.
Cool.
It'll help support the...
Where did you find the little box?
I made the little box. I made the little box out of...
The little box.
Little wood pieces like this.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Did you tell it on the machine already that you did that?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
When I was doing that part, so yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's already covered.
Did you tell them who this is for?
I did tell them it was for a shower gift. So, yes. Scissors.
It's a shower gift for these people.
I wouldn't do that because the address is on there, isn't it?
Nope.
Oh. For Crystal and Mark.
Yes.
Here's our lovely couple that we're doing this for.
Yes, they like lighthouses.
All right.
And other things that we're working into this design.
All right, so there's...
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, it does look good.
Mm-hmm.
Always looks so much better when you're looking at it on the camera. All right, I'm going to get the glue pieces off. And then we're going to set our bunnies in place. I'm going to angle down for that.
That's another thing they like is bunnies.
Yes. There's always bunnies and seals that come across my Facebook page every day.
But we couldn't find a manatee.
Well, we couldn't find seals either.
No.
But,
what are you looking for?
another glue stick.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm running out.
Oh, you just load it in there and it melts?
Yep. All right.
Cool. It looks like a piece of a crayon.
Okay, there's our bride bunny. And here's our groom bunny. And we're going to cuddle up right next to her because they're happy, cuddly bunnies. There we go. There's our cuddly bunnies.
Cool.
Yeah, they do look cute, aren't they?
Yes.
And she's got a little veil floating back there in her flower.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we could just put that there. It'll stay. It just sets down. It's not gonna...
We're not gluing it down.
No, we're not gluing it down.
Because of the light.
All right. I'm gonna do bow next. Or how about our bricks? Are they dry or no? Or are they still smudgy? They're still smudgy.
Yeah.
All right. All right, I'm gonna need a little bit of wire.
Can I have one of this thing?
Yeah.
That made it worse.
Well, we can cut an all new piece for it if you want. We've still got some extra on that. I mean, you can always line it up and cut another piece.
Okay, because the other pieces look pretty good.
That's right, I need my wire cutters. And I need a lighter.
A what?
A lighter. So we can take care of the ends of the ribbon so that they're not going to fray on us.
This is a technique I am not familiar with.
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you when I cut it.
Okay.
Doesn't have to be a long ribbon. Or a long big bow, I should say.
No, just a little bow.
Okay. You see how
Yeah.
if you leave it, this will fray?
Mm-hmm.
So you just go over the end, and you can see it melts the ribbon, so it seals it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Show the people at home.
They know, the people that don't know this.
Okay. I may have made this a little too short.
That's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. No, it'll fit.
Okay. Okay.
We're going to squeeze it in there.
Got it.
Yep.
Here we go. I'm drawing an X on this one so we remember this is not part of the deal.
I'm just going to seal these in here.
Is that your new camera holder that you're using there?
Yes.
It's very cool.
Yeah, it just came this week. I couldn't be happier because now my camera's not flopping all over the place while I'm trying to film.
Mm-hmm. But you have glue on it now.
That's okay.
Okay. Glue on the camera is okay.
It's in the craft room. What do you expect? It happens.
Okay.
Just making her bow. I like it to hold.
Okay.
And my glue stick keeps falling out. This glue gun does that. It does not hold the glue sticks in place very well. I have another glue gun, but I'm not going to go get it out.
It seems like the glue gun should have a longer holding the glue part.
Yes. Yeah, it should.
You know, like more of this part.
Yes, it should.
I don't know what you call that part of the gun.
Right, I'm going to do one more and kind of...
like a loop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how to
It's
make a bow like this.
This is my cheat way of making a bow.
I understand that, but it's the way that looks better on craft projects than if you try and do a bow with just one piece of material.
I'm not very good at those.
Hmm?
Not very good at those.
Sometimes
I should get a bow maker.
Sometimes
I should get a bow maker, and then I would be excellent at those.
True enough.
Actually, I don't think I'm going to need that. I think we're going to glue this on. And didn't you have other flamingos?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
We have this flamingo right here.
yeah. Snap. Hold on. Flamingo. Wait, hold on. It's not a camera. Flamingo.
That idea is coming from this invitation from the shower. See, Crystal sent this invitation to the shower. so that's why we put the flamingo. Oh, perfect.
And then we just, before we're done,
Yes.
glue it right here.
Okay. So put it over here now in our to be glued pile.
Yes, because we got to work on the landscaping.
Right.
So since we're working on the landscaping next.
Okay.
Oh, and we got to put our hidden Mickey on.
Yes.
That's what I haven't done yet. Here's our hidden Mickey.
I want to do the hidden Mickey.
You want to do the hidden Mickey?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me get you the glue gun. There's your glue gun. And then, careful though, because the glue's hot.
I'm going to put the hidden Mickey right here.
Okay. All right. Hold on. Tilt the camera to you.
Okay.
All right. And here's your gems.
So I'm doing it here.
Okay. Sounds good. It might work better if you place it on, like just a little dab. So just a little squeeze. You don't need much, and then put your gem on it.
Okay.
And then we'll pull the.
It is warm.
Yes. Well, that's what I was saying, because if you put it on the gem and then try to pick it up, you're gonna burn your hand.
This is my first time using a glue gun.
You've never used a glue gun before?
No.
Oh. And you can use the tweezers if you really want to. We'll show you in a second, folks. My camera's not wanting to tilt that way. Hold on. Let's see. Actually.
Wow. We're getting your drink instead of... That was not right. I'm scraping that one off. And you could be up higher.
Now we're getting in camera. I moved the camera.
Okay. Okay, now I got the glue in the right spot.
Yeah, we'll get the little strands off in it as soon as it dries.
Okay.
There we go.
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse is important.
Donald Duck.
Because Mark loves Disney.
Mickey Mouse.
I'm assuming Crystal does too.
I assume she does. Forever let us hold our banner high.
All right. There's Mickey in place. He's just sitting on the back of the lighthouse. He's put his official stamp on it.
Cool.
The Mickey stamp of approval. What people? All right. So now landscaping. We've got flowers and we've got trees. Let's start with trees first.
Okay. Should we put the bushes like right around here?
Yeah, we can do that. Here's these trees and these trees, and we had another package. Oh, there they are. So we got trees from Michael's, from Art Minds.
We don't need too
Mini
many.
embellishments. I don't know how many trees we need, but we're gonna see.
Okay.
So we got long trees, colorful trees, and regular trees.
This is a deciduous tree. the kind that sheds its leaves. That's what deciduous means. Here we go. It actually looks like it's made out of a sponge.
Is it?
It could be.
Cool.
Yes. How's that?
That's actually looks good there.
Okay.
Are we getting a... Yeah, I just want to make sure we're in fit. I can't see the camera from here. Okay, yeah, so do we want it maybe just glue it down in place, or yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Then we can put some grass over the roots if we want.
Yeah, all right, so glue it down. And then we've got...
Okay. Nice glob of glue.
And I've got some E6000 if we really want to make it, like, we can put it there a little bit around the root.
I don't know what E6000 is.
It's super glue. It's super, super glue. But it takes a while to dry. But I can do just like a tad, like right around the edge here. And then we'll cover it up with our bushes.
Oh, is that the kind you don't want to get on your fingers?
Yeah, because it like, yeah, it's not going to come off.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. We got tall trees. Do we want maybe these in the background?
There may be 2 of them over there.
Okay.
Things look better in 3s. Haven't you heard that?
Well, I have 3 of them. I have 3 of them. And they're all 3 different sizes. See, they're all different sizes.
Yeah, could they all fit over on that side?
I think so. Do we want them on that side or the side with the Mickey? Do we want to hide the Mickey in the bushes?
Well, we got to have enough of space for them to be able to get the lighthouse on and off.
Well, yeah, they'll be able to. Oh, yeah, there's no room there.
I think this is a spot, like right along in here.
Okay. And we got these colorful trees, too. All right.
Well, these ones they have to save for the fall.
No, there's no saving them for the fall. Does it look right?
It looks like it's being blown in the wind a little bit.
It does, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay, or should I push it in?
There you go.
Find a spot.
Mm-hmm.
Let me get the last one on over here, and then we'll... I'm combining the glues and then twisting it into place, and this should make they shouldn't come off at all.
Okay. No, like right here.
Right there?
Yeah. See, like
Here,
that.
I'll put the glue down and you can plant the tree.
Great. I don't like anything bushy.
And then just slightly twist it a little bit as you're... There you go. Oh, pretty.
Shall I tell them that I don't believe in Play-Doh in houses? Children go to nursery school. That's where you get the Play-Doh. You don't have to put a Play-Doh in your house.
Yeah, we had this whole conversation the other day when you were here, yes.
Yes.
But I didn't do the filming with her
Right.
when she was here last time. But yeah, we had this whole conversation that my
Yes.
husband was not allowed Play-Doh as a child. So depressing.
He understood.
Actually, I think that's enough trees.
I think that's enough for trees.
All right, well, I'll just put these aside for a different project.
Right.
I do got ground cover
What
moss.
kind of bird is this?
I don't know. Oh,
God.
you dropped all the birds.
I caught all the birds. None of them hit the floor. I want you to know that.
Oh, okay.
I have... How do I put it? I don't know how to put it.
Okay.
Quick thighs. No, that's not the one. That sounds wrong.
That does sound so wrong. All right. All right, we're going to start over here around these trees, and we're going to cover up the base, I think,
Okay.
with some ground cover moss. gonna move the lighthouse for right now,
Okay.
so that I can get in here with my fingers.
We're missing one bird. Oh, one bird did make it onto the floor.
Well, there was one bird used in another project already.
But
oh, okay.
this is like a... Ooh. This is a very pretty bird. Some kind of red-headed bird.
Yeah, I'm not sure they're actually officially birds, like official species of birds. I think they're
understand that. They're fanciful birds.
Yes. Yes, fancy birds, or fancy fantasy birds.
Yes.
Although, I don't know, the one I did use out of that wasn't actually a cardinal, so...
oh, well, that...
I mean, so those could be official birds in that patch, but I don't know. But I got those in the little section in...
Here's the title.
Minis.
Mini birds.
That's right.
That's what they are, mini birds. Oh, that looks very good. Fuzzy.
Yeah, but it's covering up those tree
Right.
stumps.
Right.
So it looks like now our trees are actually physically growing out of the ground.
Mm-hmm.
I want to get this little section here, which is cool. All right, so
I hope everyone has noticed that she does all of this left-handed. She's very clever.
We're making a mess. It's okay. If you can't have a mess in the craft room, where can you have it?
That's right.
Yeah, it's not coming off. Oh, I did see I got the one side bare because I didn't see it.
Oh, right there.
Yeah. I got to put some more glue down. Here. You can tap some in there.
See, if you use your tweezers, you don't have to touch the glue.
I'm used to touching glue. That's the thing, though. I'm used to it.
I'm not here. It's not wanting to stick.
No, it did not. Get a bigger piece. Oops, that didn't. There we go. Now it's fine.
Yes.
Now it's fine.
Okay.
It's okay. We'll cover up these tree stumps, and then after that, it's just planting flowers.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Yeah, we'll clean up all the loose glue strands after this all dries.
Okay.
And that'll be fine. I can pull it all off with tweezers.
Yeah, it's like we got little bushes growing around the trees. Very nice.
Mm-hmm. And it covers up the hideous stumps.
True.
That are with the trees that are supposed to make it look like they're natural, and it's
It doesn't look
no
natural. Yes.
No, not at all. It just looks like something weird piece of plastic. There we go. Peeling glue off my fingers.
There used to be a time when people that were making model trains, they actually had to make these things themselves. They couldn't buy ready-made pieces for landscaping. They had to make it from scratch.
Here we go. All right. Should I do over this too and cover up that?
No, I don't
just
mind.
leave
No,
it?
No, yeah, because if she wants to take it out and change the pictures or anything.
Okay. Yeah, this just lifts right out. All right.
Right.
All right. Let's move that for right now.
Okay.
And then we'll keep our ground cover handy.
Mm-hmm.
And then we've got rocks. We can add some rocks.
Well, let's do the flowers first.
Do the flowers first and
yeah.
rocks. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Set the rocks aside. So flowers, and
I think the yellows may be too big.
I think the yellows are too big too.
Yes. All right.
Yeah.
Another
We'll stick with their yes, we'll stick with the pinks and the whites.
Right.
All right, I'll clip them. Or do you want to clip them and then I'll put them on since you don't like the glue gun?
Yes, I'll clip.
Okay.
Can I clip with this?
Those aren't clippers. Those are, but these are clippers.
All right.
So those will clip through that. So you clip off how you want the flowers, and I will plant them. I put away these tweezers. I don't think we're gonna need those. And put away our flower
Okay. Well,
wire.
if I do a whole one like that, it's
No, you gotta
kinda too
do
big.
individual tiny flowers, I think.
right.
Otherwise, yeah.
So that these leaves are going to be too big.
Actually,
Regarding the scale.
No, we can use I can use leaves later on as like little accent bushes and that. That'll be fine.
Okay.
So we could totally do
There's
that.
a flower.
All right. Should I go like along like where we're putting the path?
Yeah.
Should we put the path in first, and I could do the path?
I think now we should.
Yeah. All right.
And I'm beginning to think the path isn't going to really work out.
I think the path is going to be fine. Why is it still smudging?
Yes.
I think it'll be fine.
All right.
You know what I'll do is after we get it done, I can go over it with probably something. Hold on, let me get the tweezers so I can tap it on with that.
Okay.
So is our next step?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, most of it actually is dry.
Okay. The flowers seem to come in twos, like that.
Okay,
Is that okay?
I think so. We'll know more as we start gluing or start placing them. This piece doesn't want to go in. Here we go. Tap, tap, tap.
This top one needs to be pushed down.
It's not going to go down anymore. But we're going to line.
Cover it.
Yeah, we'll cover it. I think we'll line all the steps and everything with pretty flowers.
Okay. I may need to cut off the bottoms of these shorter.
Well, we'll see I'll before I actually physically glue it into place, I'll see where we'll test it.
Okay. These are not lupins, but we can pretend they are. Lupin is a kind of flower that grows along highways in places like Nova Scotia. And they usually come in these two colors plus a light purple. And this is the time of year when they usually bloom. They're very pretty.
Actually, I think it'll be fine. I'm going to press it in.
Yeah.
I'm going to press it in and
you're
glue
using
it.
this as a poker?
Yeah, I'm using it as a poker, so
Okay.
I'm going to literally blop the glue, press it in, Should we do every other flower?
Yeah, that would look nice.
Like this?
Yes,
Okay.
because it's decorated for a wedding.
Sounds great. Yeah, that'll work. All right, I'm gonna need some more. Get clipping.
Okay. Yes, boss.
I'm not the boss.
I'm only the assistant. But that's okay.
I'm gonna have a lot of glue strings to cover up your clip here, or get rid of in a second.
Matthew said he saw the last project. Oh, when you were opening the camera thing earlier this week.
Oh, he did?
Mhm.
I didn't know he watches my videos. That's cool.
I didn't know if he knew he watched your video either, or whether it just happened to.
I didn't even really post that one. I just put it on my my YouTube channel. So I don't really post unless I'm doing the craft videos. Otherwise, there's just random videos on my on the YouTube channel. All right, I got one side done.
That looks sweet.
It does. Looks really nice. So I'm going to turn it so we get the little angle. Lots of glue strands, so we'll deal with it. I need a few more pink. I'm going to need a few more pinks, but then I think that's...
Okay.
Start with the white.
Some of these have one bud and one open.
That's
flower,
fine, I
which is
think.
nice, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's cute though. It's kind of makes it look like
The ones that I'm talking about, these lupins, they're kind of spiky, like long and tall, and they're very pretty. But they like to grow along roads where there's sea breezes and sea salt. I think they grow in England too. I'm not sure about that. But they're all over in Nova Scotia in the early summer.
That's my needs wheel. What I need. It's not exactly even with the other side, but that's fine.
It's nature.
It's nature.
Yes.
There we go.
Oh, that's sweet.
It is.
You could fit one more right here.
Yeah, you want to clip me off a white one?
Yeah.
And we'll we'll place that, and then
So I had already changed dates with Linda to see her on Monday so that we had time for this today, and she forgot. Was trying to negotiate with me this morning. I said, I'm not coming.
I'm sorry.
I'm seeing you Monday instead. And she says, okay, because I forgot, and I made a haircut appointment. And I said, go get your hair cut.
I might need to come in with the tweezers and pull the glue off, but just trying to get some of it right now so it doesn't become too much. All right, what else do we got? Rocks.
If we need them.
I think a little bit, maybe like in here.
Okay, but not too much rocks.
Right, and maybe like right in here or something like that. But that's about it, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then, honestly, I think then we're done. I mean, I don't think we really want to overdo it, do we?
No.
Okay. Yeah,
Ooh,
I don't.
These rocks are amethysts.
They're not amethysts. They're just like actual, like,
Purple rocks. Purple pieces of glass.
yeah.
No, I knew they weren't real amethysts.
I think they're actually black, aren't they? Black or gray?
No, I would describe those as purple.
Oh, I guess they kind of are purpley.
Some of them are gray, but there definitely are some in there that are purple.
All right, so we're going to cover this little triangle section with rocks.
Do we have a paper clip or something? Oh, here's a little clip.
Yeah, you can use one of those.
Oh, well, that was handy.
Yeah, just that section actually kind of, it almost looks like it brings the rocks up from down here.
Right.
And I'm going to actually...
Just a couple more.
Yeah.
Where's that tweezers?
Right here. Pulling glue off.
Yeah. After it's dry, it's not icky feeling.
No.
So this part's okay for me to do.
I told you I'm used to it. It doesn't hurt me.
I'm sure it wouldn't hurt me either. It's just...
No. If you're not used to it, it freaking burns.
Oh.
I think
our bow is dry. It is very cool looking.
Yeah, we're gonna glue that sucker on somehow. I actually think I'm gonna go over these rocks with a little bit of the
other glue.
Yeah, just to get them to stay because they're wanting to peel off.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll work. Like right in between.
Mm-hmm. But we still are going to have to put some glue on his foot. To make sure it stays. Actually, I could probably bend these a little tighter. Oh, yeah. They bend like paper clip. There you go.
Where did those tweezers go?
Sort of like that. Oh, that looks very realistic.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of glad to put some there. Just want to really tap them into place so they stay.
Mm-hmm.
now I can see all the glue strands. There.
I'm glad you went ahead and painted the
Yeah, I'm glad
frame, otherwise we wouldn't be able to get this all together.
Okay, so there's our ribbon. Actually, just how you did it there, where it's not even like really in there. Or
Yeah,
should I glue it on?
Well,
I could do a little hot glue because if I put the E6000, it won't come off at all. But if we do the hot glue...
If you turn it around and you look at the back side of it, see where you could put the glue?
Yeah, all right. Yeah, we'll do that. And then if she don't like it, she can easily take it off.
Right.
And you've got some pictures you're cutting up. And then I'm going to put our lighthouse back on. And, what happened to the tea lights? I left a box of tea over there.
Yeah, show them the kind of tea lights we're using.
All right, so tea lights, whole box of them. One a piece, but one row fell off here. Hold on. All right, there should be a loose one, and I don't see it anywhere. Did we leave it on the table somewhere? Because I'd hate to take the tab off of another one. Hold on, let me move stuff around. We've lost things. All right, I'll have to look for it off of camera and see if we can find it. I'll just demonstrate with another one here.
Okay.
All right, so our tea lights are going to go in underneath here. Okay, so there's our tea light. Turn it to the camera. Can they see it? Yeah. All right. Unfortunately, it's light out right now. I'll turn this.
There it is.
So there's our cute little bunnies. And there's our little, and then we got, we're clipping off the pictures from the invitations, and we're going to put those in here. So, those are coming here in a second.
I think I'm going to cut this off right above their heads.
Okay. However you think.
I think that's about right. To make it a little posted, like a stamp size one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, all right. Oops. How do these go on? Like this?
You have to put it between two, like a paper clip works. Like that.
Oops, I bent it. All right, you want to clip off a couple more?
Let's see. How is it? I can't see that on the picture. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Like that?
Yeah.
All right, you want to clip off a couple more and we'll put the pictures.
Okay.
I need to cover up. I found a glue spot here that I'm going to need to cover.
Okay.
Tweezers.
There we go.
Okay, you get another one. All right, I'm also trying to get the glue strands. All right. I'll put that one there.
Yeah, but put it up, vertical.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And here they are playing in the water.
Perfect, because this is a lighthouse.
Uh-huh. It's a lighthouse on an island.
That's right. It's their own personal lighthouse island, especially for them.
Right.
But these candles got a little flicker to them, like they're natural, like a natural candle. It's kind of cool.
Okay, let's see.
Oops, just took a little chunk out of there. We'll do this one right here.
Let's see. Yeah, I like that. Oh, now that that thing is really flickering, you can see it flickering through the holes in the lighthouse, too.
Yes, yeah.
I think this was too.
Oh, that, yeah. I didn't think about it that way. That's great. Okay.
It's not quite straight, but...
No, it's perfect.
You can straighten it out a little bit better.
Well, she'll probably change the photos anyway, so that's
true.
fine. Yeah. There we go. All right, hold on.
Oh, no, it's showing my saggy neck.
Nobody probably cared until you said something. So here we go.
Oh, cool.
I'm going to bring this closer to the camera. I'll clean up later, so don't worry about the mess. All right, so here we go.
Nice job.
We did an awesome job.
Just remember, I painted the lines on the bricks.
You literally want to go through credits here? No. Really?
And I did the Mickey.
Well, yes, our Mickey was chilling back here. So, yep, Mickey's chilling back there. So, we'll go all the way around.
Right. This is so cool.
It is. This is really awesome. All right. Thanks for watching and joining us for our, I'm suspecting this is going to be like an 1.5 hour long video because this segment alone was an hour and I still got lots of other footage. So yeah, sorry for the lengthy video. Thanks for joining us. And if you made it to the end, really thanks for joining us.
Bye.